Something fishy going on with SMCI, guys. Price is in the green side, but there's a consolidation after the earnings. So the price is preparing for another jump. Maybe will happen pretty soon. So we have to prepare for it. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. Look at this, guys. SMCI have the 3490 as a major level of resistance. You see what's happened here? We got really great earnings and revenue, surpass almost 40% better than the estimate, and 21% for the revenue, 12 billion. And we got a big buyer at the earnings. We hit the 34 and then we pulled back because, as you see here, we triggered profit taking because we jumped 20%. Then we pulled back, another buyer entered here, we jumped again up. So now there's a huge consolidation zone here around the 34.90. So if we broke this level, guys, around the 34.90, just from the technical aspect, we might have the 37, and of course all of you that waiting for this price around the 40 and the 50. Yeah, we have the 40 and we got almost the 46, not the 50. Yeah, the 50 is a bit far, but those the first level that we might go to, and this is might give us another jump of this time, yeah, another 20% or 10%. The best case scenario is almost 37% if we jumped over the 34.92, as you can see here, because last time once we have a huge flush was on the bad earnings in November and the price pulled back. Now we might have the correction and reversal up because this is, as we said before, the first time we got good earnings since 2 years. Look at this. We have 3 bad earnings last time, and this is the first good and revenue for SMCI. So this is of course would be a shift in the technical and the fundamental, because last year, just in November, we have 5 billion. Yes, now 10 billion. So 12 billion. So over doubled the revenue. So this is really good indication that we got price shift from the bearish to the bullish. So what you think, guys, about SMCI? Are we gonna have the 50? Because a lot of you, some of you actually bought around the 50. So I'm not saying wishful thinking. That's why I'm not saying the 50. I'm saying the 37, around the 40, and maybe the 46. Those the first level that we might go to before a pullback, like what happened here. Even if we jumped, we might have a little pullback before jumping again up.